Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshop. And what I'm going to show you how today is to make this really cool one balloon aeroplane. And you can see with a little bit of artwork, it looks really fab. It's dead easy to make. As I say, just uses the 1260. You can make it out of whatever colour you like. So let's get into it. So what you will do is you will inflate your balloon, leaving a little bit of air out. I've probably slightly overinflated that. I would leave a good 6 to 7 fingers, but let's give it a go, see if we can make my balloon, one balloon plane. So the first twist that you're going to do is called a tulip twist. So what you do is you start at the nozzle, you press in, so I'm going to get really close here. You start with your nozzle, you push it in like that, and then with your other hand, my right hand, I pinch where the knot is, the nozzle, and I just work out my finger like that, and then I twist, and then I push a little bit of air at the front so it stays in place, and you kind of get like a propeller kind of like shape there, which I think has a nice touch to your aeroplane. And then you want about a 2-3 finger bubble. Then we want a 1 finger bubble. We're going to pinch twist this, and now we're going to do the wings. So the wings I would do at least 5 fingers, maybe 6, about that length, and you're going to do 2 bubbles. You need them to be pretty much the same size. Just twist. Go on the other side. I'm going to do about 5 fingers on the other side. Come back. Twist again. So that's what we've got. I'm going to twist those together. Now, don't worry about if the wings are all over the place. You can come back to them and sort them out. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do back of the plane. Now I should have a little bit uninflated there. Just so I probably overinflated my balloon. So you want a good about 8 fingers for the body of the plane. And I'm going to do a little pinch twist here, so a 1 finger bubble. And I'm just going to pinch twist. And as you can see, I've got quite a big tail there. My plane, I'm just going to sort the wings out now. So you can see you can do that quite easily, but yeah, because you've got your pinch twist there. There you go. Now this is obviously, you want that a little bit, you know, maybe 2/3 the size of that. I'm not going to pinch that off, I'm just going to leave it. Time to add some decoration. So I'm going to start with the front, the cockpit. I'm going to give this a bit of shape. So I'm going to do that on the other side. So you see I've got it on that side and that side. I'm going to do some windows, some passenger windows. Just going to do the door, just like that, and then I'm going to add some passenger windows on this side. And then you can put some decorations on the tail. So we'll just do, I don't know, something like that. I'm sure you can think of something much better than me. And there you go. You've got your one balloon aeroplane, which is dead easy to make, fantastic for parties, great for line work. And it does look pretty aeroplane-like. I like that touch with the tulip twist, as I mentioned at the beginning. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you've liked this video, hit me up with a like, and better still, love to hear from you. Leave me a comment, please. But until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.